It's time, ladies and gentlemen. It's time. Time to make a malt liquor video. Paleo-libertarian national superstar, airborne paratrooper, tugboat trash extraordinaire, and provider of authentic malt liquor and Ballantine Ale massacre entertainment on YouTube. Mr. Met 40 ounce, aka the Oaktown Hellbilly, back again with another one with my Mickey's Fine Malt Liquor straight off the dangerous streets of Oakland, California. In order for me to bring you this high quality, authentic malt liquor entertainment production today. Check that shit out. Outstanding. Shout out to 209 J. Jones and welcome back, good sir. Malt liquor.
I told you so. Why did you believe them? I could have saved you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I gotta tell you this. Mickey's Fine Malt Liquor is absolutely refreshing and fucking delicious. Brewed and packaged by hardworking, patriotic fucking Americans, and you need to support that. So here we are. In 2014 Chevrolet Camaro SS Update Malt Liquor video. Coming at you from the port of Oakland today. As you can see, San Francisco in the background over there. We're down the port. A little bit overcast, as you can see. Saturday morning, this is what we do. Hopefully I don't get busted for it. We'll see. Malt liquor.
It didn't have to end like this. It's happening.
Only Chevrolet Shady.
It didn't have to be like this. It's happening.
Shout out to 209 J. Jones. Rock Bottom 559. Malt liquor video. Rock Bottom 559. Time to Lone Wolf 420. Loot Bag Larry. Cause 25. Pro wrestling guy. Everybody in Northern California.
It's happening. It's over. We're trapped in the belly of this war.
Delicious. Malt liquor. Shout out to Fear. Shady. Falstaff, of course. The Mets and Yankees split that this week. We'll see what happens there. But let's get into the crux of this masterpiece. Enough introductions. I got to get going with this. Shout out to the legendary Huffy 72. All right. As you can see, that's the star of the show, of course. But we added our ZL1 Add Ons wicker bill onto our Z28 spoiler. The previous owner put the Z28 spoiler on it. I think it looks better with that than the stock one, so I just roll with it. And I put the wicker bill on it, and it makes it. Look at the side profile of that masterpiece right there. The malt liquor is the star of the show, but look at that side profile. You know, that wicker bill really makes a fucking difference. It really does. I think it looks badass. And we did fix the front. The previous owner put a ZL1 front on it. It's not a ZL1 car, it's just a regular 1SS car. So I wanted to take it back to a stock appearance, which is what I did. And at the end of this masterpiece, I'll come around the front. Malt liquor. So, I got these knockoff Z28 wheels. I want to get rid of that and get some 2015 2SS wheels that are blacked out. You know, I think that's a good look for it. So we're going to do all that, but that's down the road. You know, I got other stuff to do first. Exhaust cutouts and shit, everything else. And I don't know if you can see that Hearst shifter in there. Probably not. I mean, you can see the white ball in there, the knob. It looks good with that black background. It's out fucking standing. Mickey's Fine Malt Liquor. Label out. Ah, delicious. The other thing I did was I sourced a proper SS hood that came off of a wrecked 2015 Chevrolet Camaro SS that I found down in Oakland at Cypress Auto Salvage. So we have that. That's going to be the next piece of the project. It will be painted matte black, and that's once that goes on, we'll do another one of these videos. Maybe not here, but we'll do it somewhere else, probably in Stockton. But I really enjoy driving this fucking thing. It's badass. I love it. You know, it's everything that's cracked up to be. If you could get one now, because the prices are going to go up. They're holding their value or whatever. So, especially ones that have kind of low mileage. Mine's only got 78,000 miles on it. It's 79 now, but you know. It was 78 when I got it. And I've been terrorizing it. Today I drove it down here from Stockton, and I was just terrorizing it on the fucking freeway. I love doing that shit. MALT wicker. I sneak glitch put out a video. A fucking awful one. I've given you solid advice, Glitch. Solid advice multiple fucking times now, guy. Take that fucking brew pub, right? You burn that shit to the ground. Make sure there's nobody in there. You don't want to kill nobody. You burn that shit to the fucking ground, and then you collect on the insurance money, okay? And you move to a fucking state where you can purchase a 40-ounce of malt liquor, a full measure, if you will. Shout out to Falstaff, by the way. Shout out to Roach 420, Machiavelli 420, and Gambino 81. The legendary Huffy 72, everybody, Scumbag Supreme, and everybody else in Europe and the UK that are holding it down, enjoying delicious malt liquor on camera. There will be some political commentary on this channel coming up within the next couple of months as the primaries start to heat up and we get into some debates. But I've been burnt out on that. I haven't really. This has been taking up a lot of my time, you know. Even my vinyl records have kind of taken a back seat lately. This right here is the #1 thing I got going on right now. And it's an absolute fucking joy to drive. I love driving my Canada Camaro, if you will. Unfortunately, assembled in Canada. Designed in the US, but assembled in Canada. With the exception of certain engines. I believe the Z28 engines were assembled and manufactured in the USA. And I think the one that the 6.2s were as well. I'm not 100% certain on that, so correct me if I'm wrong in the fucking comments. More liquor. After this masterpiece is over with, I'll be heading down to 1234 Go Records and any Econo Jam Records in Oakland. Pick up some vinyl. So stay tuned tonight on my Oaktown Hellbilly channel. Vinyl Hole and Malt Liquor coming right up. Do a little bit more of that. Absolutely refreshing and fucking delicious. Brewed, canned, packaged, and transported by unionized fucking professionals. No home brewing and no fucking craft beer bullshit on this channel. Approach the motherfucking swill. Some people call it swill. I call it the best fucking part of the whole goddamn thing. Approaching the motherfucking swill. I'm a little out of practice, ladies and gentlemen. You know, I'm not in the studio. I'm outside on location. Absolutely refreshing and fucking delicious. Delicious. Listen to that 40-ounce. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever the fuck you got to do. I'm the fuck out of here. I'm not going to show you the front until I get my hood done. That's it. I hate that fucking hood that he put on there. It's a ZL1 hood. This is not a ZL1 car. So it is what it is. Shout out to Fossil's 1. Malt liquor.